This 2007 Mercedes-Benz E63 AMG is brought to you by Auto Gallery, Chicago. 2007 Mercedes-Benz E63 AMG Factory Optional Equipment Premium Package 2, originally $3,600, navigation system, heated front seats, cooled front seats, HID headlights, keyless go, package factory Mercedes-Benz E63 AMG equipment 6.3 LMG built V8 engine 507 horsepower 465 lb-ft of torque 7-speed automatic AMG transmission navigation system front parking sensors rear parking sensors cruise control adjustable steering wheel keyless and tri-keyless start power windows power door locks iridium silver metallic exterior gray leather interior vehicle included owner's manual floor mats vehicle history clean Carfax well service. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detail walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2007 Mercedes-Benz E63 AMG is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Now visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.